In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the download page generator. With the download page generator, you can create both standard download pages or you can create DLGuard templates. We're going to go through both processes. First, let's start with a standard download page. Now, the idea of this is if you have a product but you don't have a download page, you can make a download page that matches the product. So in our example, we're going to match this product that we have a sales page up for, and we're going to create a download page for it. So the easiest way is to take your sales page and upload it so you got everything uploaded on your server. Okay, so back to the software, we'll select standard here, we'll go next. Your main headline, so you can put whatever headlines you want in here. Let's copy this, paste it in here. Now keep in mind that this is an HTML box in here, so you need to put in any paragraph breaks in here that you want to use. Okay, color of your main headline. So to match this color, we could use a color matching tool. You can get this one, this quick HTML color picker. Just do a search for that, and you can get it at allgraphicstools.com. So what we do is we just pick the color, and then we put the mouse on top of the color and click. Okay, now we have a color here, so we can copy that and paste it right back into here. Okay, and we can put a secondary headline in if we want. So let's copy this and let's put that in here. And then you can put the color you want in here. Now colors can also be words like black or red or whatever. I'm going to leave this one black, which is the default. The content area background color. That is this color here. Usually it's white, but it can be a different color, so if it is, you can use a color picker to change it. Enter the URL of the background image or none. So if you're not going to use a background image, just leave it at none. Otherwise, you can get it from your sales page. So if this is Firefox, we're going to view the background image and then we're going to copy the image location. Okay, and then we're going to paste it in here because I do want to use it. Okay, the body background color. It'll ignore this if you're using an image, but if you're not using an image, put a background color in there. The color of the text on your page, we'll leave it as black, but you can change it there if you want. The header image, so go over here. Since this is already uploaded, like I suggest, you can just get the image locations right there and paste them in without having to go looking all over the place for it. If you wish to use a product image URL, copy that and then paste it in here. Okay, enter any text you want to appear before the download links. So, whatever you want here. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, number of download links. You can have up to 5 download links. Let's just put in 2 just to show you how it works. You need at least 1. So the URL to your download file. So this is usually a zip file. So I'm just going to put google.com in here. But you would put the actual location of your zip file in here. And the description of your download link. So this is video 1, you'd put video 1 there, etc. And our second URL, yahoo.com. Again, you would put your zip file location in there. Download to. Okay, next, enter the URL of your footer image or none. So if you want to use your footer image, just go down and copy the image location. Paste it in here. Click next. Enter any text you wish to appear after your download link. So this is a good place to put in any HTML where you're going to tell them about support, tell them what they can expect on their statement, etc. This is all free form, and again, it's in HTML. So if you need support, email me at me@me.com. Okay, so, and then you can put proper HTML in here if you have a help desk link. Okay, and then we generate it. Okay, so I created a directory called my download page. Now I just click OK. And there we go. So we click OK. And it's created 3 different files for us. Now, unfortunately, the software doesn't know what we're doing while it's generating the output. So since we're creating just a standard download page, we can ignore these. They're full of garbage right now. So let's just delete them. If we were using the download guard template, then we would use those 2 and not this one. Okay, so all we have to do now is upload this to where our files are. So, and first you're going to want to rename it. So click on it and rename it to something else. So now I'm just renamed it to downloads, but you would want to make it a harder name to guess. All right, and then you just upload it. So let's open FileZilla. Okay, so we just connect up and then we upload this to where we want the download page to be. Then we put the link to the download page in the browser up here. Okay, and here's the download page that was created for us. Okay, so thank you for your purchase. That's where we put that in. Download your products here. So if I click on this, we're going to go off to Google because that's what I used. If we click on this, we should go off to Yahoo, which we did. Okay, and if you need some support, email at me.me and your account will show a charge from me. Okay, so with just a few clicks, we've created a standard download page. Now just to show you, if we exit out of here, we can save this and then we can load it in later if we want. So let's exit. Okay, and it says, do you want to save before finishing? So we can now save this file and then we can do a file and open to that file if we want to modify it. Okay, so I'm just going to save it in testing 1, 2, 3 and I'll call it standard. Okay, so now if I open the software back up, okay, now if I go File and Open, okay, there's my file that I just saved. So if I open this, it brings in the parameters and then I can go ahead and change. Now, don't go and change it to a DL guard template or leave some stuff behind. So you need to just keep within the same type of download page when you're creating them and when you're loading them back up. So to start over, we're going to have to close this and we're going to have to create a DL guard template this time. Let's open it back up. Okay, so this time we're going to create a DL guard template. Okay, the main headline. So we go through mostly the same process here. Okay, so let's copy this into here. Okay, and we could use a color picker again, but I believe that's what it was. And then 2. Now you don't have to put headline 2 in, or headline 1 for that matter, but you should do that. Okay, and then second color headline. The content area background color, that's again the background color here, so we're going to leave that at white. URL to the background image. This is going exactly the same so far. So we copy the image. We'll copy the image location. Paste it in here. Okay, Set your body background color, we'll leave it at black. The color of the text on your page, leave it at black. You want to use a header image, enter the URL here, so we copy the image location again. Paste it in here. Okay, if you wish to use a product image, copy the image location, paste it in here. Enter any text you want to appear before your download links. Okay, so thank you for your purchase. Okay, enter the URL of the footer image or none. I'm going to leave the footer image off this time just to show you how it works. Enter any text you wish to appear after your download links. Notice we don't have to enter download links now because DLGuard looks after that. And then we generate. Okay, we're going to go to the download page, and there again, we'll save it to the same spot. Click OK. Now when we click exit, we can save it. Let's save this one to DLGuard just so we can come in and okay, so here we have some different things now. We have DLGuard and DLGuard Transparent are the two that we need. So we can ignore the other ones here. So let's delete these. Now you want your DLGuard templates to be unique for your product. So we're going to rename the DLGuard template and we'll call it DLG WP Secure. And it still has to be a .html. You notice there's another file here called DLGuard Transparent.png. This file needs to be uploaded to the images file within DLGuard. So your installation directory, right under that there's an images directory. You need to upload it into there. Let me just show you here. Go to DLGuard. Okay, so I go to where my DLGuard directory is, and in here there's an images directory. So this is right where I installed DLGuard. Go into images, and then we're going to upload this DLGuard Transparent. Okay, and you only have to do that once ever. It'll always know where it is after you've uploaded it once. So every time you use the software from now on, you're not going to have to do this ever again. Now we need to upload the download DLGuard template into the templates folder. Let's back up one here. And then go down to until you find templates. Go in there. And then these are single products templates. So go inside there. And then we're going to upload this HTML file. Okay, so the template is now in there. Now I'm just going to grab this. I'm just going to copy the name of this. So what we need to do now is go to DLGuard and find the product in DLGuard, or define the product if you haven't already. So let's go over to DLGuard. Okay, here's my product definition. So what I do is I roll down until I see template, which is near the bottom. Okay, you'll see down at the bottom it says custom download area templates or template. We're going to put the name of the template in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a customer that has purchased that product, and I'm going to bring up his download link within DLGuard. Okay, and now this is what the customer will see when they hit their download link. This is an actual customer's download link that I re-enabled. So there's the layout that we've decided on, and here's our headlines and so on. Now, down a little further, we will see the name, email address, receipt number, product purchased, and the amount paid. Okay, then when we roll down, okay, so thank you for your purchase. That was a text we put in. Download your product here. Okay, so here is the download link. And down at the bottom, you'll see more text under. That's the text we put in. And then the automatic email link for DLGuard is here. Okay, so if I click on this, there is the download. Okay, so that's how you use the download page generator to create standard download pages and DLGuard templates.